Having a full week in Oxford really helps you immerse yourself in the programme. Being away from work and the day-to-day distractions that can entail really means you can take in the content.
It's gorgeous to be in Oxford and to also remove yourself from the day-to-day of your job or whatever else you're doing and be able to give your full attention to the program. I think that's been priceless for us.
It's a rare opportunity to kind of spend and get the time to take a week out. You just get enough time to sort of really absorb the content and think, oh, how am I really going to go about bring it into my own project. It's probably a little bit of an inside view into Oxford that you wouldn't otherwise get.
We're here in winter at the moment. It feels like a different place in the world. It feels like a different place to actually observe the world. So if you want to see the world differently, try looking from a different place. And what we need more than anything in Australia at the moment is to bring that international perspective to the world-class challenges that we have. So this is bringing world-class education to world-scale problems that we're facing.
I think the value in coming to Oxford is the connectivity and being out of our own environment. We're in a different town, in a different city. It's the rich history of Oxford. It's quite the contrast from Brisbane. The ability to supercharge that in a 5-day intensive period, I think, has just really elevated our connection to each other. It's enabled us to really have the space and the freedom to engage in the program and to engage with the people delivering the program, maybe in a way that we would not normally have, if we were doing the same thing back at home.